Hello guys, in this video we're going to talk about how to fix Instagram auto brightness. So if you're using an iOS device, this will happen in your Instagram. So go down to your settings, go find accessibility, and then here, your display and text size. You want to go down, scroll down, and turn off your auto brightness right there. So it will actually turn off your auto brightness. So that's all you have to do basically. And you want to actually just go ahead and also turn off your own actual true tone in your own display. So display and brightness right here. So from there, I want to actually just remove your true tone, or you can just scroll down right here and then go to your brightness right here and true tone off, so that you will be able to use your Instagram at its full potential and not have auto brightness ruin your day. So there you go guys, that is how you turn off your auto brightness in Instagram.